Our top traders are here for Top That Trade. Joining us now, Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com, and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business News contributor. Good to go there, I can see, guys. Round number one, Apple versus Microsoft. Apple lost that number one market cap spot to Microsoft. Is the former champ a weakling now? What's the better buy, Apple or Microsoft?
So I'm always going to be picking Apple, and I think they're going to come back and be reigning champions once again. I like the technical setup, and you can't spell technical without Al. So Apple had a run up to 200, pulled back to 180. So a V recovery target is 220, which is 25% above, which is exactly the number that Bank of America said they're looking for Apple to rally. So that's a mere coincidence. Microsoft, though, has already rallied and made, gotten to its highs with a technical target of 400, which is only 2.5% above. I don't think you can go wrong with either one, but I like the risk reward in Apple.
Yeah, I agree. Do you like chocolate? Do you like vanilla? They're both great stocks. But I will tell you this, Microsoft may pull ahead and Apple may not catch up. And let me tell you why. The reason is artificial intelligence. Microsoft is way ahead of Apple right now in the AI space. And they're starting to incorporate artificial intelligence into their long, dismissed search engine Bing. This could reinvigorate the Bing website by incorporating this new technology. That could give Google a run for their money, right?
There's an AI button on their keyboard now, so that's a big deal.
And it is a big deal. And I think Apple, they are kind of caught a little bit in the past. They're still a fantastic company. They're going to find a way to bounce back.
The new goggles come out in the next couple of weeks, right? $3,000 a pop. I think that could be a game changer.
I don't know, Alan. I think it's going to be tough sell. Listen, they've surprised before. They set the stage. But let's face it, so far in the past, goggle-like stuff really hasn't taken off as much as people thought it was.
Round number two, follow the money. The world's richest billionaires, we're talking Buffett and Bezos, have doubled their wealth since 2020. We could have the next trillionaire on our hands. But what's the best billionaire stock to buy?
We could do that. These guys are making $15 million an hour. I talk about Jeff Bezos and Amazon. I love Amazon. I'm a customer. I'm a user. Jeff Bezos has a machine. He's going to go off, and he too is getting into artificial intelligence. So I got to go with Amazon for the billionaires. So I still love Elon Musk as well.
So I don't know which one to pick. So I'm looking at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has rallied back and had a full V recovery, made new all-time highs. So that target's moved to 21,000 in the NDX, which is 25% higher. So that's the way I look to play. I don't see this momentum ending anytime soon.
Round number three, China disconnect. As pro traders, you pay attention to the Chinese stock market and the U.S. market. Well, China's market is having some downward challenges. But are there some stocks that you would like to pick up?
I like JD.com, Baidu, Baba, and Weebio. So I think there's a lot of opportunity in the long term for these stocks.
Yeah, and I think you're right. I think China's going to bounce back. I think, they had 5% GDP. They continue to grow even though their stock market got crushed. And if you look at what we're seeing as far as their oil demand and things, it's been at a record high. We keep hearing about how they're slowing, but demand continues to go up. I think China's biggest problem, is not a COVID problem. It's a political
attitude.
It's attitude. You're absolutely right.
It's ticker time for your bonus round question for today. Can you tell me which ticker is a fake? Is it Chill, CHLL, Cold, COLD, or Frost, FROST?
Cold. I'm cold.
I think they're all real.
Oh, try again next week, guys. It was Frost.
That really frosts me. I'm not happy with that, okay?
Business First AM will be right back.
Alan, we got to start a company and have Frost as our ticker.
There we go.
What's the
product going to be?
Should be
Let's sell
earmuffs, maybe artificial intelligence earmuffs.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.